Welcome back, everybody, to the official channel of Homa Games. What do you call a room with no doors? A mushroom! I tried to find a joke that would fit this video perfectly, but honestly, man, I got nothing. That's the best I got today. Because with Fortnite Season 8, Chapter 2 only being 5 days away at this point, it is literally all I can think about. Operation Skyfire live event will be taking place this Sunday at 1:05 Pacific time, and then the following season will be released just 8 hours later on Monday. Most of us watching this video right now are probably going to be stuck in school on the very day that Season 8 is released, and I don't know about you, but that's definitely not how I want to spend my first day of the season. So if you don't want to go to school the very first day of Season 8 so you can stay home and grind your battle pass, hit the thumbs up button on this video and you won't have to go to school that day. In the last video I posted here on the Homa Games channel, we focused entirely on the Skyfire live event and all of the brand new leaks that continue to come out. In this video, we're going to switch gears a little bit, and instead of focusing on the live event, we're going to focus on Season 8, more specifically the Battle Pass. Speaking of the Battle Pass, don't forget, every time we get a new season, I go crazy hooking up as many subscribers as possible with the new season's Battle Pass. If you're not subscribed, stop messing around, man. You could be missing out on a free Season 8 Battle Pass gifted by yours truly. But alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, with less than 5 days until the Skyfire live event and Season 8, we got a bunch of leaks to talk about. Let's get into a game, and let's get into it. Every time Epic Games is getting prepared to release another new season of Fortnite, they obviously test it a ton of times. They even go so far to invite actual members of the Fortnite community to what they call a research opportunity, where they'll get to actually play and experience the future of Fortnite before it's ever available. In exchange for their opinion on the new update, Epic Games offers them a $150 Amazon gift card. But apparently Epic Games should have made it like a $300 Amazon gift card or something like that, because a lot of the people who went and actually participated in this user research study ended up leaking a bunch of info about the future of Fortnite. We're obviously not supposed to say anything about what they actually witnessed there, and if they do, then they clearly risk getting in a lot of trouble or maybe even going to jail. So for that reason, we're not going to be mentioning any names or anything in this video, just for their own security and privacy. We all know how Season 8 is going to begin, and that is with Dr. Sloan's plan to blow up the mothership using the countermeasure device during Operation Skyfire live event. It's been confirmed that upon the destroying of the mothership, it will crash into the Fortnite map, landing in 3 different parts at Misty Meadows, Dirty Docks, as well as Pleasant Park. The remains of the crashed mothership will stay there throughout the entirety of Fortnite Season 8, essentially changing those 3 POIs into something brand new. The rest of the new map changes that will be present in Fortnite Season 8 will all be generated by Kevin the Cube, who, as we know, will be once again revealed to us during this live event. With all the powers that the Cube has, it's not just going to be making tiny changes to a point of interest, like maybe adding some purple or something like that. It's actually going to be much more powerful. For example, we received 2 new biomes that have been leaked to be on the Season 8 map, one of them being a little pyramid point of interest, and another point of interest that is going to have many cactuses on it, similar to a desert, which honestly goes along absolutely perfectly with the pyramid point of interest. We rewind the clocks all the way back to Chapter 1, Season 5. When we originally saw the cube, it actually spawned in the desert area of the map, which makes perfect sense that why we would have a desert biome in Fortnite Season 8. Now that we all have a good understanding of what we can expect on the brand new map that we'll get here in Season 8, it's time that we move on to the actual Season 8 Battle Pass. Now this info comes from a person who is very close with some insiders at Epic Games, and as it turns out, it looks like the Foundation skin will not be included in the Season 8 Battle Pass. Don't worry, because some super awesome skins will be included, one being the Naruto skin, which we've already talked about many a times, but it has also came out that through the Season 8 Battle Pass, as well as the Season 8 story trailer, that will actually have a brand new member of the 7 revealed to us and actually included as a skin for us to use. The only name of this mysterious member of the 7 that that we have at the moment is the name Within. Obviously, that's not a real name like the Foundation or something like that, but it definitely implies that he is working inside of the loop and has more control of it than either the Foundation or any other member of the Seven. My best guess is that this mysterious member of the Seven is likely the person who we see pictured with Dr. Sloan in that nice little image that she has hanging in her office. You may remember in the last video, we revealed that during the live event, a prisoner that the aliens have actually taken hostage on the mothership will actually be revealed to us. At the time, we believed that this prisoner would actually be the Foundation, but with these new leaks about the Season 8 Battle Pass, there's also a decent chance that this could be the member of the Seven who goes by the name The Within. Uh-oh. 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 This isn't good, boys. All right, we got one rushing us right here. Uh-oh. 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 Ah! Okay, he's right here. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Boom! No, I missed! Oh dear, ladies and gentlemen, this is not good at all. This is legitimately terrible. This is terrible. Boom! Uh-oh. Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Yes, there we go! Holy cow, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. There's still one more healing, though. There's still one more healing. Wait, where are they, bro? I hear them. Oh, they're right here. Yes! Ah! No! Boom! Yes! Thanks for playing. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. I'm literally freaking out. That was insane. How in the world am I still alive? I have no idea, boys. Not a freaking clue. But we're not done yet, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta make my way over to this reboot van and hopefully get my teammates back in the match. Here we go, teammates, getting back in the game. We're in the zone, but who cares, dog? All right, you coming, lads? Taking a little bit of damage in the storm, no worries. Yep, we got enemies right there, man. Enemies right there. Uh-oh. And there's even more right here, man. Boom. You're going down. Yes. Yes. Boom. Yes, thanks for playing. All right, bunch of guys up on this hill right here, man. A bunch of them. I'm gonna sneak up behind them. That's the plan right here. We're sneaking up on them, boys. All right, we got one right here. Lasered. Another one. Okay, those guys were bots. And enemies left, boys. Let's bring this home. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, he's right here. He's right here. It's a default with no shield. Yes, thanks for playing. All right, 8 enemies left. Only 8 to go. Yep, and the red over here, ladies and gentlemen, gunshots at the top of my screen. That's them right there, boys. The final squad right here. Oh, he's healing. Oh, buddy. Boom. Boom. Yes, we got one. Big fight going on in there, boys. Oh, yes, good shot, teammate. Last one's right here. This is it, final enemy. Where are you going, sir? He's so weak, too. You're literally dead, bro. You're literally dead. Boom. Oh. Boom. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the victory royale. That was literally a great game. If that's not worth a thumbs up, I have no idea what is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're hungry for more Home of Games content, make sure you go check out the official second channel of Home of Games 2, where I do my best to stream every other day. Thanks again for watching this video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.